South Asia is alert for the rental war. Craters are ready to replace with the courtyards. Hustling bustling with the children. Seeing death having a sojourn. Around my larynx life has returned. In eyes of the weapon dealers. Oh! My young soldiers! I am against slaughtering, sacrificing your healthy innocent bodies at the altar of ferocious god of war. For I love you. I am struggling for your liberty and beaming future. Oh! Life-imparting women of Asia! You learn how to express abhorrence against war, for it is jealous of your motherhood and matrimonial pleasures, and is bent upon to hand over your beloved husbands to spiteful darkness of the graves. Oh! Dejected girls! Residing on both sides across the boundary line. Your laughter only can depose the war.